Guten Morgen. Okay, breakfast muna kami. May labas tayo, pakita natin yung view.
May tomato siya.
Dali na. So, initin natin yung breakfast pag Pinoy kanin. Kita niyan. Let's go. Young Stana, Young G. Lalabas kami, wala mo ng ligo. Sarap na CR namin, no? Tapos bilang may nanonood. Putik na, no? Labas babayad namin, no? Labas babayad log namin, no?
I saw someone in your CR scratching his egg. Who's that?
Young Stana, Young G.
Who's that guy?
Who's that guy? Who's that?
Tell him not to scratch his egg in front of the window, okay?
Sa long hair, wait, ano, ha? Scratching, ha? Scratching. Do not scratch.
Talaga?
Yes. Say hi to the camera. Hi. We're here at the backyard. Labas muna kami, guys.
Dito raw, dito. Huh?
Wow. Mag-ano daw tayo? Motorsiklo. Wow, naka-Abibas. Tapos naka-Nike. Wow, Abibas, Nike.
Dunkin. Dunkin Donut.
Sa loob mo na lang.
Ano siya, binawa na ilaw?
Lalabas siya.
Grabe guys, ganito buhay probinsya.
Nakaisa lang ako, naka-wool lang ako.
Sa Lune, Germany.
Oh, strike a pose. Bibilo! Strike a pose.
Ikaw si Photo G ka, Photo G.
Dalig bro. Photo G bro.
Tawag ko sa'yo, Photo G.
Photo Young G. Tsura mo siya, Javen, dito.
Masungit-sungit na to, pero laban lang.
Little girl. Cute little girl. There's a lion there, oh.
Lion.
Tinakapin. Catalina, there's a lion there, oh. Careful, ah. Jeepers Creepers. Alam nyo ba yun? Jeepers Creepers, yung may crow. Young G, Photo G.
Ganun pala yun? Ang cool daddy. Cool daddy.
Kung sabihin, saan doon sila nakatutok?
Ayun o. Doon tayo banda.
Ganun ba yun? Ang galing oh.
Hindi ko lang nalaman yan, ha? Yung sunflower doon pala nakatingin.
Pag doon siya nakatingin sa atin.
Kala niya araw ka daw, eh. Sabi niya, amoy araw yun, ha?
Amoy araw.
So, tapos na kayo mag-picture, guys. Balik na kami sa bahay.
Selfie.
Pag tumagal pa mas.
We're going for a walk. So, labas kami, guys.
Oh, you wanna sit down here, anak?
Yes, we have some toys.
No, that's not
BJ, where are we gonna go?
Now we're leaving Regelholze.
Regelholze? Regelholze. We're going to what?
Spielplatz. Spielplatz.
What's Spielplatz?
Spielplatz is playground.
Playground.
Yes, correct.
Daming playground, guys. Dali na! Dali na! So cool. Si Photo G. Photo G.
Like a city center inside behind.
To BG, there's court here. Basketball court.
We need to find out, yes. Where is
Find
it?
out.
We need to go to the school.
We need to inflate the ball.
You can bring it also to Switzerland. They have a
Yeah.
like that. Hello.
They're awkward to talk with German people. Only this guy, the only friendliest one. Okay.
Hello.
The friendly guy in this neighborhood. Okay, in this neighborhood. Okay.
No. Sometimes
There's squirrels here.
yes.
Yes, there are.
The squirrels, oh, hazelnut. You can eat that? You can eat that, Vijay?
No, I don't.
No. Can I touch it?
You cook first.
Oh, and what is this?
Tulog na.
In October now?
Tulog.
Yung ibi-playground natin. Diretso mall na.
Uwi tayo, kain muna. Wala daw hotdog stand dito eh.
Kainan ba?
Ano, mami?
Butter croissant and
You bought butter croissant and chocolate croissant?
some other.
Yeah. Job, may bakery daw dito, no? Pandikoko. Yung pandikoko daw dito. Tsaka putok tinapay. Pandikoko. Donut na asukal lang. Sarap nun. Iba pa rin pag Pinoy.
May ube.
Meron tayong goal today. Magpasa ng German word, then ko-correct tayo. Okay, to BJ. I'll try to read this one, okay? Then correct me if I'm right. Okay, correct me if I'm right, ha? Correct me if I'm right, okay? Okay, Sparkasin Sport Park. It's right?
Right?
How do you pronounce it?
Sparkassen Sportpark.
Oh, okay, I'm right,
Then
bro.
this one is
Parkplatz.
what do you think? What's that?
Park ground?
Parking.
Park
Yeah,
playground?
parking
Parking area? Oh, it's good. Okay, we have correct me if I'm right, okay?
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Okay, good.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
So we have a good content, okay?
Oh,
What's
This is where BJ goes to elementary school.
Regelhausen Luna.
You're the Roldenhausen boy. It's good. Oh, we're already at the park.
Hindi pala dito.
Dirk?
There only soccer field, no basketball
Where
court.
can we see Dirk Nowitzki?
Oh my God, we're lost.
And Denny Schroeder.
Where is Donny Shoda and Dirk Nowitzki? I'm a German fan basketball player. Mo Wagner and Franz Wagner. They live here, ah.
Wanker.
They live here, bro. No court?
Dirk?
You're the champion in
Oh, Viva, German.
Euro League pala.
Schroeder's MVP.
Germany was the champion last week in Euro.
Last week?
Last Euro.
Too convenient.
There's no 7-Eleven, hotdog stand, fishball. No? No fishball? No fishball here? Oh my God.
Shomai, maybe there's Shomai here.
Let's show my rice. BJ.
Maybe you can
So finding
stand
show my
there.
rice.
Replace your from yesterday and you sell someone.
25 pesos with rice. Oh, that's 0.5 euro.
Euro.
0.5 euro with rice.
Ito BJ, why is the house looks the same?
They're not looking safe, right?
I mean like there's no third floor, there's no fourth floor. I mean like a bigger house.
Because this is a small town.
Small town. Okay.
If you go to Hannover, you have
You have condo?
maybe 5-6 floors.
5-6 floors? Oh.
And Frankfurt only is the only city with skyscraper.
Only Frankfurt?
Only
the city with skyscraper. And that's all.
And the rest no. Just maybe 10 floors.
So we're here at the Spielplatz playground.
BJ. Mommy said let's go to the bakery first.
Hungry. Tulog yung maglalaro, guys. Tulog ang baby namin.
Hindi ba mag-bakery muna habang sleeping sila?
Second set, Australian pulak. So, foundation tayo. 10 pa!
Alam mo yan?
I'll try.
Grabe yun.
Yan na. Gagilas. Di ba gagano?
Step ka, JC. Ay, di ba? Step ka.
Step ka lang sa mo.
4,
I think your
5,
house is just there.
6, 7,
No.
Not under. Just wait. Hindi mahirap to.
Kahit daw ng mga
Spartan pala to guys. Kaya ng mga otits to. May gagamba. Yun lang, may gagamba. Pas tayo sa gagamba, Lods. Part
Yung
of
bata
the...
may kaya. Part of the ano?
Part of the training.
Uy, gumagalaw. Uy, gumagalaw. Gumagalaw.
Bago ako naman nag-connex.
ganun pala yun, Carla.
Yari! Ay, ako. Chob, ano ba yun? Nagdi ka?
Oo, try mo. Dapat isa-isa. Oh, like Dennis Schroeder.
Wala na, ulog na ako. Ako, hindi pa. I'm alive. Paano to? Masakit, ayaw na.
Balance.
Wow! Isa-isa.
Patayin na. Tapos na kayo mag-exercise.
Correct me if I'm right.
Nagpiling bata lang, putik yan. Sakit tuhod na ko tuhod ko one hood. Sakit na one hood sa kaliwa Boy shit. Ganda ng bahay dito, puta. Sarap dito. Nag-steps lang tayo pero pauwi na.
Oo, ina.
Nag-exercise lang. Mga ilang steps tayo?
7K.
7K lang yun. Yan kulang pa. Okay. Duncan. Let's eat sa snack. Eating. Hi. Buka daw doon lang. Patay ka video. Is that a horsey ride? Horsey! Tonto siya. Horsey.
Very good, Annette.
Very good. Say hi to the camera, Catalina. Hi.
Very good. Are you done?
You're done na. Oh. Eat daw, eat. Eat.
Andiyan na yung... Asa na si Jaden?
Papahinga muna. Pinag-glide down ko muna 30 minutes. Then kumagaan kami ni
Ikaw
Carl.
na lang dun, hati ko. Kita rin sa likod, diba?
So,
Doctor
na kami dito guys.
Dr. Luca. Coffee? Doktor talaga ako dito sa sabok na dok eh. Amanter. Okay, what? Luca, stay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Sige, mami, go. Ayan, sa bunga, pwede pa rin.
So yun guys, alis daw. Grocery daw muna. Barbecue time daw eh. Collab. Ha? Bakit kiss? Yung kiss niya yun, pinaghihirapan na. Lokish daw. So guys, grocery muna tayo mga boss. Sama lang tayo sa kanila. Ako lang taga-buhat eh. Kotse nito BJ, tignan natin yung driving skills niya. Kasi sa Pinas, tatama eh. Tsaka driver kami. Ayan natin yung driving skills niya. Guys, tataba kasi kami dito. Baka kondisyon sa basketball. Yan, inaya ko si Job. So, ayaw eh.
Sabi ko nga, oo, ayaw mo
Ay, lateral ka lang oh. Lateral ka lang dyan oh. Uphill naman yan oh. Oh.
lateral, sampag ganun.
Sampag ganun oh. Ano? Diba? Planting race. Okay, alis mo na. Pagod ako doon ah. Wow, Volkswagen. Sa harap na ako. Sa harap na ako. Hi, sorry. Just supermarket. I'm sorry. You're my boss.
I'm just a driver here, okay?
No, okay.
Pay for the grocery, JC.
You're the boss.
You're the boss here. I'm just joking.
For the grocery.
No money. I just lift the grocery. Okay? I just lift the grocery.
Just push the cart.
Okay. So we have to rate the driving skills of Tito BJ, okay?
Wow.
In Philippines, we always drive. Okay.
Rating in the Philippines.
Oh.
Just a second. It's a car driver from tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah, go.
Brandmeier, hello.
You
What's the highest? 10?
Your-
Or what?
Tito BJ, you drive like your father. Okay, you drive too fast.
Us?
Yeah, you drive too fast. Mabilis siya mag-drive.
Just at the limit.
No, not the limit. See, in the... So dito na kami, Martkov. Daming... Oh, ba't walang ano? There's no people like... Here, park! No, there's no people like that.
Ikaw,
Here?
JC, you try.
No, there's no barker? No, there's no barker.
Try
Here,
that,
no
JC.
barker.
Then you ask
Then
for
give
your-
€1, right? And pre-car wash? No, nothing. It's all in the Philippines.
There's no car wash here.
Oh, there's no car wash, ha? So, grocery muna. Martkov. Here in Lune, Germany. Right. Oh, big store. Is there rice here? Bakit pala nito eh?
Body care. Go back.
Boss, wala bang San Marino dyan?
I don't know.
San Marino, Nori. Bakit?
Kasi di ba nakagano? Akala ko tao to.
Oh.
Ganun ako.
Tumignan mo. Mukha kasing tao. Alam mo may nakasilip sa likod mo.
Lapit to.
Utik yan. So guys, kahit na sa Germany tayo, favorite ni Carla. Ha?
Yoma.
Yoma? May Yoma sa Buyusis? Sa Buyusis? May code kami guys eh. Yoma sa Yusib. Kaya na po bahala kung ano ibig sabihin. May confirm to confirm. Grabe guys, sarap ng mga chips dito.
Like that word right
Doritos, syempre. Yomas Boys. Tatawa ka.
Natutuwa ko. Ay, hindi ako.
Yomas Buis. Marcado. Ako, kuha ko chips, Job, okay lang. Kuha lang ako. Ang matry ko lang iba. I tried this one. Lorenzo. Si Lorenzo. Lawrence.
What's your favorite chips?
Yeah, to BJ, what's the like Doritos chips here? Sorry. Ba, gusto mo nito? Wala sa Pinas nito. No.
That's for Lolo.
No, wala sa Pinas niyan.
Wala.
Let's go. So, babayad na guys. Ito yung mga binili. for Catalina and Asian noodles. Siyempre, Coke Zero, di pwede mawala. Hanggang dito, Coke Zero.
Kuya pambox.
Wala, sir. Libre pa ng help sa labas?
Oo. Pwede ba, tumatanggap ba kayo ng tip, kuya? Pwede kayo mag-tip?
Libre naman, bilis po.
Yes.
So guys, umabot yung bill natin, 14 euro. So that's almost 8k plus for this. Job, yoma sa Yusib. Job. So, uwi na kami guys. Uwi na kami. Ayun lang talaga trabaho ko. Bagger nila. Hindi, joke lang. So, pagka-uwi natin, mag-workout tayo. Ma-out of shape tayo. Mahirap na.
Zika. Okay.
Sir, it's sugar.
The beach. Hey, bagger.
Oh, BJ, oh. You give him. How much?
Got you, sir.
Do a good job, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you, sir.
Kabagal ng bagger na to. Tunaw na yung ice cream, sir.
Need anything else?
Baka gusto mo.
Okay, put it away in the box, please.
Yeah. I got you, sir.
Tulungan na kita, kuya.
Bit fast.
Thank you,
Very
kuya.
good, kuya. 1 minute.
Please, okay, sir.
Like it there, huh? Okay, salamat po, ha?
20 money.
Good, big money, ha?
Come on. You're rich.
Oh, put it on your socks. Bawal yan.
Wala ka
Bawal
pera.
na, kuya. Lang sa medyas mo.
Kento in Regal also.
Regal Hosa.
This is your road already.
Yeah, our pass. See?
Dirty here, unlike in the Philippines.
Hi.
Hello.
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 The BJ barbecue. Can you see?
Expert.
Gas is empty.
Let's go.
One.
Okay, it's BJ's specialty or Brandmeier family.
Whoa! I'm so excited. Let's eat.
Sausage party.
rice.
Sausage.
Oh, this is the bread. Okay.
Ich warte noch ein bisschen, dass noch so heiß, sonst zerbröckelt das.
So we're making a sauce. Wow. The bread. So first time ko pumunta basement. Tingnan natin yung basement nila. Barbecue. There's a lot of storage.
Okay, the rest is not fitting really.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ako na nagluto ako, sinaran niyo pa ako. Sorry. Two only?
The others are outside.
Ooh. Wow, it's a nice place. Ganda. Your bike costs 100k, right?
100k euros.
This is 4,000 euro.
4,000 euro.
4,000
What the heck?
euros.
This is 3,000.
How much is that?
JC use that.
Yeah, don't let me use that.
JC use that.
Don't let me use that. Yeah, give me the other one. It's just expensive. So 4,000 euro in peso.
Di ba 4,000? 300 to 80k.
To 80k. So, the BJ is not into video games. But his bike costs 300k, huh?
Investing money in bikes.
And JC.
He's investing.
There's a hole in his brick, but this should
Yeah.
start 20k.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I see your brief, BJ?
Sit down.
Eating time dinner na 7 p.m. dito. May araw pa rin.
Plus
Sa Pinas, 1 AM na guys. Sarap po. Eating healthy. Pero syempre, waiting tayo sa rice. Pinoy tayo eh. With the rice guys. Aftermath. Aftermath, ubos. Sarap ng chicken. May dumating na chicken kanina. Morning guys. Day 3 na niyan. Tulog pa. Tulog pa. Alas 7 na rito. 2 PM na sa Pinas. Baba mo na ako.
Mixing the egg.
Ohio gozaimasu. Ay, ano pala?
Aba, ang aga.
Morgan.
Day 3. Good morning.
Nag-jogging na yan.
Nag-exercise na ako. Sadya, biniwan ako eh. Nalateral pa ako.
Totoo ba nag-exercise ka kagabi?
Oo. Oo kasi ayaw mo sumama sa akin eh.
Kalokohan na yung video mo.
Ah? Hindi ka nakuhan yun.
Breakfast.
Gusto mo ba
Atalin
ganito?
na. Yun.
Bakit?
Kumakain yan.
Bakit di pa kumakain?
Ito daw breakfast ko. Aray ko. Walang tapsilog, boss. Wow. Good morning. Ha?
Si Carla.
Wala pa, tulog pa sila.
Tulog si Carla.
Dali na.
12 pa na tapos sa work, no?
Oh. Support mo na tayo sa team. Go TMT. Aray ko, baldog yung tira ni Clark. Yan, no? Si Ralph ba? Boss, baldog yung tira. Support tayo, guys. TMT versus Cup of Fate. May depensa to. Si Arjan to eh. Aray ko, pass break ni Ralph. Easy. Ay, sayang. Breakfast muna guys, healthy living. Bakit job? Healthy living tayo ah. Hindi tayo rice ah.
Tirahan ng trust si Josh.
Saya no? Sa mukha. Breakfast si baby. Ay, Catalina.
Healthy, healthy.
Healthy masyado. At early age.
Hello, fingers.
Yup. Tama ba yan? Sarap. Tapos tayo kape. Kita okay na to. Nibuksan pa to. Girit pa?
Open mo.
Open yan?
Open mo. Open mo. Pag ano siya.
Good morning guys. Kukunin lang yung sasakyan na gagamitin natin sa buong Europe tour. Kasi punta tayo Switzerland, kotse, Paris, Italy, France. So baka so i-rent niya for 20 days may get. So 26 minutes away siya from Lune, Germany. So ito yung name ng shop. Ottover Wiedemann. So ganito siya kalaki oh. So sa mga maleta namin, tingin ko mo hindi ka siya maleta. Kailangan magbawas kami ng gamit talaga. Catalina, Job, Talia, Carla. So chine-check pa guys kung available yung isang kotse. Kasi ito medyo hindi. So medyo detented. Kasi pares lang naman daw ng price, pero ang problema baka mas na rent na tong isa. So tingin ko mas maganda to kasi medyo tinted. Mas okay. Laki din. So check nila. Ayan, so chine-check na guys. May sa mga introhan na.
Ganzen dann versetzt werden, weil die ja zusammenhängend sind, die Sitze, und keine Einzelsitze. So. Ja, da muss man die woanders, diese Liquids hier unten verstellen, dass man die auf einer Linie hat und dann kann man...
So yun guys, nakuha na natin yung sasakyan. nirenta nito. So manual. Yeah, you have to get the feeling first, right? It's long, right? So it's like you're driving a truck. So parang nagdadrive ng truck, so sobra. See? Sa likod, di lang tinted. Occupied kasi isang sasakyan. So no choice tayo kung dito. Actually same price pero naunahan kasi tayo. So yun lang. Sila naman. Sasakay lang naman tayo. So pauwi na tayo guys sa Luni, Germany. So only Tito BJ can drive because also the license at the same time the car was issued to his name. You can also drive. Pwede naman tayo magmaneho through international license, but you know this one is a rented car. Yung issue natin, hindi tayo pwede mag-drive unless they put our name to the issued one who can use this car. So for now it's BJ. So good luck, sanay naman siya mag-drive. Punta na tayo ng Luni, Germany. So old school. Alright, nasa bahay na tayo. 20 minutes drive going home. So mag-workout tayo. Baka mawala sa kondisyon eh. Takbo tayo tsaka buhat. Then kain ulit. Ay, dalawa tayo mag-ingay dito. Gutom ko. Wala kasi San Marino eh. Hindi kasi hangkiri. Hangkiri kasi. Dala ako na San Marino.
Hindi ka sa hangkiri ito.
Guys, di ko talaga matiis niya yung lunch na hindi kayo magkanin. So ayaw pagalaw sa akin yung Del Mundo eh. Del Mundo ayaw nila pagalaw sa akin. Hanggang Switzerland daw. So ito muna tayo, pasit canton, sardinas, then rice.
Hindi pa bantay ko ng pichanelas.
Okay. Horsey! Sorry guys, gutom talaga ako. Sardinas muna, tsaka pasit canton. Hindi ko kaya eh. Hindi ko kaya pag puro bread. Awit pag puro bread eh. Hindi ko kaya pag puro bread. Good. Mabalik na lakas ko. Ano? Is what?
Ibibenta yan.
Ay, sorry. Ibenta ko to. $100, Jibin Samura. OnlyFans.
OF.
So, laboy muna guys. Kain mo tayo ng grocery, then punta kami street food. Kain muna. Okay, so tignan na.
Let's get the...
Okay, grocery guys, papuntang Switzerland. Babaon tayo. Salami. Sarap na salami rito guys. Tignan nyo kung gaano kasarap. Kaya ko lutuin yun.
Ikaw magluto pa. Luto na.
Nag-grocery na kami sa araw din.
Napantay naman.
Bagger pa ako ah. Hawa mo to.
Abri mo.
Ano ba to?
Ngayon mo lang to para kay number 9 eh.
Kasi katalihan na OT.
Alam mo, na-OC yung...
Ako din eh.
Nandito siya sa line. Nandito siya nag-park oh.
Sa loob ng dalawang linyang gano'n. Alam mo, German.
German naman siya. Citizen naman siya, citizen. Pag sa Pinas, natin pa digo niya. Kain kami ng street food. Street food daw ng German eh. So tignan natin kung sabi mo si sausage daw. Tignan natin guys. Gutom na ako. Yosho! Hay! Yosho! Wow, big bike. Ganda ng lugar na to guys. Jugen.
Kasi...
Sarap. Chicken curry. So ito yung food hall nila guys. Sarap mga pagkain dito guys. Food, food. Chili con carne.
Come on. Come on, let's go.
Chicken chips.
Chip?
Yeah.
Which chip? Take a look here.
Chili mayo.
Okay, mayo.
Yeah.
950 please. 50.
Thank you. Chicken chips. Sarap. Chicken chips. Sarap ba na?
Ano ko sungwa? Ano na kayo
Oh.
kain? Yung waffle okay naman nila. Waffle. Basta hindi.
Ito kahit talin na. Lamig ka.
Wait lang. Blow natin.
Sarap ng kaya nila guys.
Okay, okay. Dito pala may
Curry bread ng butter chicken.
Pwede ba sa kanya to chicken natin?
Sisi yung. Cream.
Ano, masarap?
Hindi yung kanin, di Ben? Potato.
See? Oh, you touch, you touch. You touch, it's hot.
Sarap ba?
See?
Parang ano ang
It's hot na. This one hot, bro. This one hot din. See? Diba? It's hot.
Parang sa
Wait
kantin
lang.
lang.
Ayun. Oo nga.
Para sa kanin.
At sila.
Napabalik.
Pwede mo na. Baka makain ni JC yan. Alam mo naman yan.
Mm.
You feel it first if it's hot or not. Huh? You feel it first.
Ang gulas na.
Ay, saranda. Wait lang ha. Natin yung hindi ano na.
Oo nga.
Pati anak mo nagkikigulo sa pagkain eh. Wait lang. This one.
Barbecue.
New York, something.
Ito lang, ano si Ito BJ? Natatayin sa ako. Legit. Guys, tayo muna ako. Sama ako sa family Ito BJ. Tira mo, yun o. So, workout tayo din guys. Para di tayo mga top shape. Para pagbalik natin, condition pa rin sa liga. Banat! Banat lang!